we'll guide you through how to create text animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and make sure you're in the Edit workspace. Once there, you'll want to go over to the Effects library on the top left. Click on it, and then go to Titles under the Toolbox section. Here you can find a variety of text effects you can use. For a basic text animation, drag the text effect onto your timeline where you want the animation to start. Click on the text effect in the timeline to open the inspector on the top right. In the inspector, you can type in your desired text and customize the font, size, and color. For animation, you'll want to click on the Settings tab within the inspector. Here, you'll see options to keyframe your text. Keyframes are markers that define the start and end of an animation. So, click the diamond icon next to Transform, which will create a keyframe at the current position on your timeline. Move your playhead to a later point on the timeline where you want the animation to end. Now, change the position, scale, or rotation to what you want it to be at the end of the animation. A new keyframe will automatically be created. Play back your timeline to see the animation in action. If you want to add more complexity, consider using the Fusion tab for advanced text animations. But the basic steps can be done in the Edit page. Remember, you can always adjust the timing of your keyframes by dragging them left or right in the timeline to speed up or slow down the animation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.